Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss general characters of Bryophyte. I, Dr. Sachin Choudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, RMGM College Savli, will discuss the general characters of the division Bryophyta. So, when we study the general characters of Bryophyta, Bryophytes grow in damp and shady places. Means they are growing in the condition when where there is presence of the shade. They follow heterologous haplodiplobiontic type of life cycle. Means these plants or bryophytes complete their life cycle in two different phases or stages, which we call as the gametophytic and sporophytic stage. The dominant stage, it is the gametophyte, on which sporophyte is semi-parasitic for its nutrition. Means sporophytic stage is dependent on the gametophyte. The thyroid gametophyte differentiate into rhizoid axis and leaves. So when we observe the plant body, it is thyroid. Vascular tissues, that is xylem and phloem, they are absent. Means conducting tissue in the form of xylem and phloem, they are absent. The gametophyte bears multicellular and jacketed sex organs, that is antheridia and archegonia. So when we observe the gametophyte or the main plant body, it possesses sex organs, that is male sex organ, that is antheridia, and female sex organ, that is archegonia, and they have covering or jacket. Sexual reproduction, it is oogamous type. Multicellular embryo develops inside the archegonium. After the fertilization, there is development of the embryo. Sporophyte, it is differentiated into the foot, seta and capsule. So after fertilization, there is development of the sporophytic plant body, which is differentiated into basal part called as foot, elongated seta and capsule. Capsule produces haploid meiospores of similar types, that is homosporous. Means similar types or same types of spores they are produced. Spore germinates into juvenile gametophyte called protonema. Means after the dispersal, these spores again give rise to the gametophyte. Gametophytic plant body again produces the sporophytic plant body again produces the gametophyte. Progressive sterilization of sporogenous tissue noticed from the lower to higher bryophytes. So there is presence of the sporogenous tissue from lower to the higher plants. Means we can observe the bryophyte having different groups. Thank you.